In this video, I'll show you how to set up display capture in OBS Studio. 1. Choose or create a scene. Select an existing scene, or click the ++ symbol icon to create a new one. 2. Add the display capture source. In the Sources panel, click the ++ symbol icon. Choose Display Capture. Enter a name for the source and click OK. 3. Select your monitor. Open the Display drop-down. Pick the monitor you want to capture. If you have only one screen, it will be selected automatically. 4. Adjust cursor settings. By default, the mouse cursor is visible. To hide it, uncheck the Capture Cursor box. Click OK to confirm. 5. Fit to screen, if needed. If the captured screen doesn't match your OBS canvas, right-click the source. Go to Transform Fit to Screen. That's it. Your display capture is now ready, and anything shown on that monitor will appear in OBS recordings or streams.